This is a world first. It's never been done before, and this is a prototype vehicle. It's never been operated before.
This full ocean depth submersible is the equivalent of a moonshot. Look at the clarity of the water. What the hell was that?
We have at least 4 new species here.
Whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
We're not getting the seal. That's not good.
Humankind has explored every continent on Earth. We've climbed its tallest mountains and even journeyed into space.
Thank you, Mr. President.
But there's a vast swath of our own planet that has remained a mystery. The deep ocean, stretching down over 35,000 feet into crushing pressures. It's been near impossible to reach. Until now. New engineering breakthroughs are driving an audacious global mission to dive to the deepest points of all the 5 oceans for the first time in history. These pioneers will push technology to the limit.
He's going out.
To open up this final frontier as never before.
Trying to mentally put yourself at the bottom is just mind-blowing.
Mapping hidden landscapes, discovering unknown life forms.
What F is that?
And unlocking the secrets of how life in the extreme deep ocean affects our entire planet.